Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here multipurpose PowerPoint templates part 1 and here part 2 I will upload soon. Okay, so first here 9 different categories of power template, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access on my all file. Go to sheriyskpwt.com, just one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, here digital education, explorer, financial dashboard, and here multipurpose power. Okay, blue modern, open this one. You can import or write anything here. You can put 3 images, total 22 slides for education purpose. And here total 20. Thank you for joining us. Okay, that's mean you can put any text. Dashboard, like infographic. Okay. August 2024, September. Get in touch. PPTX, green, blue, modern pitch. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.